Welcome back to the channel. This week brought exciting news and notable updates in the Linux and open source world. Let's dive in. KDE Frameworks 6.9 introduces key improvements, focusing on performance and refining the experience for KDE Plasma users. With smoother rendering and enhanced app behavior, this update is a win for desktop Linux enthusiasts. A significant boost for the Arch Linux ecosystem. The Sovereign Tech Fund has injected €562,000 to support its development, ensuring the sustainability and evolution of this popular distro. A fresh release of the Miracle Window Manager brings better Wayland integration, refined workflows, and new features aimed at minimalist users seeking performance and simplicity. Matthew Miller, the longtime Fedora project leader, is stepping down. As he changes hats, the Fedora community reflects on his impactful contributions and looks ahead to new leadership. OpenMandriva's latest release brings exciting updates with a focus on innovation and stability, offering an enhanced experience for users who prefer a cutting-edge rolling release distribution. CentOS Stream 10 has arrived, featuring Linux kernel 6.12 LTS, Genome 47, and DNF 4.2e. This marks a significant step for enterprise-focused users, bridging upstream and downstream development. These updates showcase the vibrant activity and innovation in the open-source community. Stay tuned for more exciting news next week. Thanks for watching.